In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in QuickBooks Online. If you work in QuickBooks Online and don't see your preferred language available in the product settings, there's a quick workaround using your web browser's built-in translation. It won't change the language for the entire company or other users, but it will translate what you see on your screen, which is perfect for day-to-day tasks. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your browser and sign in as you normally do. Once the page is loaded, look to the very top right corner of your browser window and open the three-dot menu. This is the browser's main menu, and it includes tools like Zoom, History, and, importantly, Translate. From that menu, click Translate. Your browser will display a small translation bar or pop-up. In that panel, open the options by selecting the three dots on the translation prompt. This reveals additional controls beyond the automatic suggestion. Choose the option labeled Choose Another Language. A dialog will appear with a drop-down list of available languages. Click the drop-down to expand the full list. Scroll if you need to, then select the language you want to use. After you pick your language, confirm by clicking Done. The page will refresh or re-render, and the interface text on screen should now appear in the language you selected. If some terms don't change right away, give the page a moment or navigate to another area inside QuickBooks so the browser can apply translation to new content. Remember, this is a display translation performed by your browser, so certain branded terms, numbers, or images won't change. Also, if you open QuickBooks in a new tab or window, you may need to repeat these steps so the translation applies there as well. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Keep the translate bar visible so you can switch languages quickly as you work. If you collaborate with teammates who use a different language, let them apply the same browser translation on their own devices. It's a personal setting that won't affect your shared data. And if you ever want to return to the original language, use the same translate controls to switch back. That's it. You've used your browser to translate QuickBooks Online when the exact language you need isn't available in settings. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you follow along.